We're consulting on how we respond to automatic fire alarms. An automatic fire alarm will alert the occupants of a building to a potential fire. They should then manage the initial response. 99% of these automatic fire alarm notifications are false alarms, so no action is required by the fire service. Attending false alarm calls creates significant disruption to other more risk-critical activities. Changing the way the service responds to these types of calls could provide significant benefits to communities and firefighters. Our focus is on reducing risk by minimising disruption to key activities. We will continue to send fire engines to automatic fire alarm notifications at higher risk buildings where anyone sleeps, such as hotels and hospitals, care homes, houses and flats. We will continue to maintain our emergency response to 999 calls, confirmed fires and to automatic fire alarm notifications from homes. Please take the time to have your say.